This video demonstrates how to configure URL filtering on the USG6000F series firewalls to control the websites accessible to users. The following describes how to configure URL filtering based on predefined URL categories to control the websites accessible to users. An enterprise deploys a firewall at the network border. All internet access traffic passes through the firewall. The enterprise wants to allow employees to access only the education or science and search engines or portals websites. After completing basic network configurations including intranet and extranet interface configurations and route configurations, configure URL filtering. Ensure that the predefined URL category database has been loaded to the device. If the predefined URL category list is displayed in URL category, the database has been loaded to the device. If no predefined URL category list is available, log in to Huawei Security Center iSecurity, huawei.com, choose Security Signature Update, downloading the signature database and component package, and download the predefined URL category database of the corresponding product model and version. Then, import the database file to the device memory and run the import URL SDB file command to load the file. Choose Object Security Profiles, then URL Filtering, and create a URL filtering profile. Set default action to block. In URL filtering level, set the action for all predefined categories to block, and then set the actions for the education or science and search engines or portals categories to allow. After creating a URL filtering profile, create a security policy for intranet users to access the internet and reference the URL filtering profile in the security policy. Choose Policy, Security Policy, and Security Policy to create a security policy. Set source zone and source address or region to the security zone and IP address segment where intranet users reside, and destination zone to the security zone, usually untrust, where the extranet interface resides. Set action to permit to perform content security check and reference the URL filtering profile created in the previous step. Click OK. The content security configuration does not take effect immediately. You need to click the commit button in the upper right corner to activate the configuration. After all the configurations are complete, employees can access portal websites like NetEase and Sina, but not streaming media websites like YouTube and iQIYI. If a user attempts to access a forbidden website, you can view the URL log generated when the user's access is blocked under Monitor, Logs, URL log. The value of filtering type is predefined.